Hi, welcome back and thank you for watching. This is the second journal that I'm sharing today. Again, this is the fairy themed journals. This one I'm calling Fairy Snow. They measured 6 by 9 with a 1-inch spine, 2 signatures with a total of 160 pages. This one has a light blue cover, the same fabric, the batik beautiful snowflake pattern. This one's blue and white and kind of aqua with the silver on it. Again, the cover, I've used, let me get back in frame here. The cover has a fairy image with metallic paper behind it, the same white paper behind that that's a specialty paper with the 2 tiers of tulle and the silver threads, and then the silver snowflakes. And make sure I'm in frame because my QuickTime player cuts out at about 10 minutes. This one is also tied shut with a sari silk tie and has vintage laces and ruffles in it. And again, this is the digitals I've used in this are from Crafty Cat USA, and it's her Blue Winter 1 and 2, the collage papers. The interior of this is, again, another batik fabric that's a beautiful Christmas tree pattern with some snowflakes and those same silver stars. And this is, these pages are from After Midnight Designs, January Winter. I've added some Tim Holtz die cuts to this and some stickles around the edges. And again, the stamps are Lavinia, and I've used the glitter on the wings. Some velvet ribbon here. This is from Crafty Cat, our vintage ledger, and the ruffles. And then this is one of the images, the fairy images, and I've added the glitter to this. Some vintage book pages. Here's our Jack Frost image with the journaling space on the back. Another one of the fairy images. The ephemera in this is basically the same. This is the mulberry paper, rice paper with the threads through it that reminded me of snow. And then this is another specialty fabric. I left the selvage on this because it looked like a little ribbon with the fringe, and there's little tiny pearls and glittery bits on here. I don't know if the camera's going to pick that up for you or not. It's really very pretty fabric. Some more die cuts. Here's the tags, and this is from the kit, and then this one is from January Winter, as is the pocket. And our little snowflakes. And the stamp from Lorna Taylor and Tim Holtz. And this was from a vintage book that I have about a fairy song in winter. And here's another little envelope. And our centerfold again is the Rackham, Arthur Rackham photo, or drawing, and there's lots of little images here with different elves and fairies and children playing, and the trees always have faces on them. They're great. And here are the little bead dangles and the ruffle. And then here's a Jack Frost image, and I've added the glitter stickles to this, and there's journaling space on the back of that, excuse me. Some more Lavinia fairy images. And here's that winter fairy music. And then this is the flip out that Carol Laws did, and I'm leaving a link to the video where she showed how to do this. The tutorial was wonderful. And I've done this one just a little bit differently. The tucks are in the front, and here's the journaling space here, and a little fairy there. And this flips, and here's the little tuck spot with the little, out of focus, out of, from the kit. And then here's another Arthur Rackham image with some snow on here. The kids are ice skating. And this is the winter fairy coming in and making it cold. Still in frame. Okay. This is piano roll paper, and another little image from Tim Holtz, and I've made her into a little fairy. Here's another one of the pockets, and this is from the kit. There's journaling space on the back of that, and then this is from Graphics Fairy, The Power of Enhanced Senses from the Magic Shop. This is a gift from the fairies. I think those are so cute. Another little snowflake. Some more decoration on the page. And then here's our F is for Fairy. Lost in the storm, but her friends, I am sure, will keep her from harm. And the little rabbit is so cute. And then I've added the snow on that. And there's journaling space on the back. And that again is from an image from the book Weather Fairies. It's written in the early 1900s. And there's our paper again, and then this is a Lavinia stamp, and I've added some stickles to the snow. And then here's another of the Rackham images of a little girl in the snow talking to the trees. Some more ruffles. This is a tuck spot. This is that beautiful paper from Crafty Cat. I love those images. The colors are just gorgeous. And here's another of the Rackham images. You can see the snow on this. And the fairies are playing music. It's like a fairy. There's a drummer and the bass player. They're playing for these people who are listening, little children who are listening. And then this is another Tim Holtz die cut. And the fairies again. And these papers are from January Winter After Midnight Designs. Another one of the die cuts. And then this is from Ephemera's Garden, this blue lined paper. And here's another one of the envelopes with some paper in it. Another one of the fairy images from Lavinia. And then here's the Arthur Rackham image with the children playing in the snow, and one of the Tim Holtz die cuts. And this is one of the sayings from Artie Mays' kit, the winter kit. Another flip out, lots of journaling space, lots of places to put pictures. Another little Tim Holtz snowflake. This one has the little rhinestones on it, or little stones. And then this is the Arthur Rackham image that was on the cover of the other journal. And I've added some glittery snowflakes. Let's see if you can see that. And another die cut. And the image from one of my vintage books, children's books. And here's our little flower fairy, the snowdrop fairy. There's a little stamp there, and then our paper here, the rice paper. And then this is the Aurora Borealis, and this was such a beautiful image. I just wanted to use that because I can just imagine fairies playing in this field of snow. And then here are, again, the bead dangles and the ruffle. And then some more trim. And then again, this is from the kit with the little stamps with the fairy and the little fox. And doily. The other side of that front piece. some collage. And then here's our little dancing fairy on the ice. And this is another die cut. And the stamp is Lavinia stamp with the foxes. And our snow fairy that's so beautiful. I think she's just gorgeous. It's a wonderful illustration. Lace and another little snowflake. Flip. Another flip here. Here it comes. And this is another Rackham fairy image. Little fairies here with Jack Frost, and I'm going to tilt that. I don't know if you can see that glitter or not. And there's glitter on her wings, and that's another one of the Lavinia fairy stamps. And then this is the fairy, winter fairy coming in and dumping snow all over the town. And then this flips up. You've got journaling space there. And our little envelope here from Graphics Fairy. And then you can journal on that. You can seal it shut if you would like. I left it open so that you could write on it. Some more velvet ribbon. And another image from Rackham with a snowflake die cut and the some more fairy images. Again, this one has this two little children going to school in the snow. And there's some glitter on this. And there's journaling space on the back. There's a tuck spot right there. And then this is the other, the little, it's made from a coin protector. And I've used rice paper on it. And then there's a little snowflake attached. And it's little faux snow. And you can add that where you would like in the journal. And then there's the back. And that's her. And this is the second journal. And she will be listed in my Etsy shop. And this one is listed under Fairy Snow. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.